What's up mga kapanga? Nagbabalik na naman tayo sa ating reaction video. Pero bago ang lahat, paki-like and subscribe muna sa ating YouTube channel. I-click nyo na rin ang notification bell upang kayo ang unang makikita sa mga bago nating i-upload o re-react na video. Ang laban na to ay kay Donaire at saka kay Vic. Kaya wag na nating patagalin pa.
Donaire has made Vic Darchinyan think about his power already. And a wild swing and a miss with the left by Darchinyan. The free swinging Darchinyan is being...
Umpisa pa lang. Mukhang bigayin na ng mga mabibigat na suntok.
Tested right out of the gate here by the younger Nonito Donaire, having a very good start to the fight. Well, you mentioned it. You know, you said Vic Darchinyan's gone through an undefeated career.
At saka si Donaire dito medyo bata pa siya eh. Hindi pa siya siguro sabihin na nating pausbong pa lang siya dito sa panahon na to.
We're barely tested. I got to be honest, in the first half of round one, he's been hit more than we've seen in all the fights, and he's getting whacked by Donaire. He just got hit. That was a shot. He just got...
Wala yun. Nadulas lang yun.
Hit by a left hand by Nonito Donaire. Donaire comes out blazing here midway through the first round. Now the danger in all this is Vic Darchinyan right now. Donaire not quite as aggressive as he was towards the end of the third round. Just tasted a straight left hand from Darchinyan. Darchinyan's able to get that left in.
May nakikita natin ang sumusugod si Vic Darchinyan naman.
Especially when he uses the jab. I think Vic Darchinyan has not used his jab enough in this fight, Stephen. Were he using it more, it would set up that straight left hand. You'll notice both eyes red and swollen on Darchinyan right now. Missing wildly with a straight left is Darchinyan. So the eyes are becoming a factor for Darchinyan. And it's early. How will Vic Darchinyan handle adversity? For the moment, it appears as if
Parang may sugat na yata si Donaire sa kilay.
Donaire is letting him off the hook. Now, that right hand by Donaire was blocked by the left glove of Darchinyan. Straight left hand by Darchinyan to the chest, pushes Donaire back. Again, the counter left hook by Donaire. You know, the problem with Darchinyan is when he rushes in, defense is not something he remembers much, and Donaire has been able to take advantage of it. Now, there's some roughhouse tactics by Darchinyan. We talked about that before the fight. He likes to rough things up in there, but you can't do it, Steve, when your opponent, who has a big height and reach advantage, stays on the outside. Nice counter left there by Donaire. Another counter there by Darchinyan, and a spin-around move by Donaire.
Ano ba yun?
And Eddie Claudio is saying, don't do that. I kind of thought it was fun. Works better in basketball. Yeah, it's true. Final seconds of the round. And Darchinyan ends it with a straight left to the chest. Let's get it over to our Sherman Kane from the Manchester Journal-Inquirer here in Connecticut. Mark Abrams, 15rounds.com. Jack Overmeyer from Boxing Digest. Coming up to the midway point of round 5. There's the jab by Nonito Donaire working well. Oh, my! Look out! Darchinyan down for the first time! Struggling to get to his feet! In terrible shape, it's all over!
Yun lang. Yun lang talaga. Ewan ko lang kung hihinto na.
It's all over! Nonito Donaire has pulled off the monstrous upset in emphatic fashion!
Yun na nga, hininto na. Wala talaga. Ikaw ba naman tamaan sa panga? Mukhang mabigat yung binitawan eh.
Vicious left hand. What a knockout out for Nonito Donaire. That may go down as one of the knockouts of the year.
Grabe, tingnan mo.